Hello, I am Mihela. Today I am going to talk about a bird that is very common in India but very difficult to spot in Sri Lanka. And that bird is the Indian courser. Elegant and stately, large plover-like bird. It is the only courser found in Sri Lanka. A species of courser found in mainland South Asia, mainly in the plains bounded by the Ganges and Indus river system. Like other coursers, it is a ground bird that can be found in small groups as they forage for insects in dry, open, semi-desert countries. Adults have chestnut crown and necks. Face has black line from base to bill to nape with white line over it. Juveniles have the stripe but in shades of brown and white. Mantle feathers edged with white. It is one of the most difficult birds to spot in Sri Lanka. They sound like Indian coursers inhabit dry open spaces, including rocky plains and arid areas with scattered shrubs. I have not seen an Indian courser. Mihela National Park is one of the places you can see an Indian courser. This is a picture of our safari to Mihela National Park. In Mihela, once every year, more than 300 elephants gather in one place. This is called the elephant gathering. I have not seen an Indian courser, but have you? Please let me know where you saw it in the comments.